Hey everybody, Rich here with what I believe is one of the best screen capture utilities, better known as screenshot utilities, I've seen for a browser in a while. It's for the Chrome browser or Chromium. I happen to be using Chromium. If you go to Tools, or excuse me, hit the wrench, Tools, Extensions, get more extensions. If you don't have any in there, it'll tell you to go to the extension gallery. And you go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Screen Capture. This one by Google called Screen Capture, which installs this nifty little icon up here. Now the best way to show this thing off is by taking a Facebook screenshot. Now periodically what people like to do is take screenshots of Facebook conversations, but they want a way to fuzz out or redact, as they call it, the identity of certain people. It is so easy to do. With this, it's not even funny. So you click the little box. Now you can do the whole page, which would do all this. Well, that would be a little too huge. So we'll just do what's visible. And the way to do that is capture visible content. So I'll use that one. It's capturing right now. And now we are in the capture screen. Now you have 4 options up here, and then to share it afterwards. Now let's just say for whatever reason I wanted to fuzz out just this part right here. I click redact and I'll choose blur. You can do solid black or blur. I'll do blur. And then just click and drag a box. And that's it. It's blurred. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. If you don't like it, just hover over it, X. I'll show you the one with the solid black. That's it. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. Now if I want to highlight something, highlight, there's draw border only. I'll do that with a red. And you can choose to have it as a square, rounded rectangle, or a circle. So I'll just do it as a regular rectangle style. You just do this. And if I want to add some text to that, just click on text. I'll make my text red, large, drag a box. Here is some text. Go to line, click that. You can use a line or an arrow. I'll choose an arrow. I'll make that blue. And have some arrows pointing there. I know this is dopey, but it's just for the sake of demonstration here. Now for this one, let's just say instead of a box, well, I want a box, but I want a filled box. I'll do fill entire area, and I'll use with a bright yellow. So I'll do that. Cool. That's more or less it. Now we're done at this point, so I can either save it locally. When I hit share, I could actually post it direct to Facebook. Ha! How cool is that? You see how cool? This is why I'm saying this is so cool. Because to do this with a regular image editor like GIMP or something like that, you'd have to alt print screen, go into GIMP, use all the tools, blah, 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 blah. Take forever to do. This is easy. Or I'll just save local. So I'll hit the save button and plop it on the desktop and do that. Save. And I will show you my saved image. This is the image I just saved. Look at that. How easy was that? It's just great. It works on any web page. I think this is awesome. Now the only, I will give you a warning though, it is a little bit buggy. Particularly, let me just close this. If you try to do, yep, it just bugged out on me. You'll get this little notice at the bottom right of your monitor will say, oh, it just crashed, do you want to restart this extension? Yes, you do. Sometimes, especially if you're doing whole page content, like if you have something with a lot of stuff underneath it when you scroll, yeah, it can get a little bit crash happy on you, but you know what? Worth it. Worth it to deal with it because this is just that good. Just to go wait for the screen capture to occur and then just do your stuff with your lines, your text, your redactions, your highlights. It's great. It's simple. It's easy. And it does not require any image editing software. It's all in the browser. This is a godsend for screen capturing for a lot of people. So again, go to the little wrench here, Tools, Extensions, Get More, and search for Screen Capture. It's right there, Screen Capture. Look for the one that says by Google. Now there are other screen capture utilities, Lightshot, which is awesome, by the way. Lightshot is really good, but it doesn't have the options that Screen Capture does. Maybe you want to install both. These are the only two I would actually recommend using, is either Screen Capture by Google and or Lightshot. Lightshot is actually pretty cool for the reason you can capture outside the browser. Like a snipping tool in Windows Vista and 7, Lightshot will do that too, and it actually does it a little easier. So that's another one you can check out. But yeah, Screen Capture by Google, absolute must-have for Chrome and Chromium.